Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair video. I know I don't normally do hair videos, or I don't normally do hair videos, but I thought I should show you guys how I do my wavy hair. I say it's wavy because it looks more wavy than curly with a straightener. So this is how it looks. Let me show you guys. So this is how it looks. Like this. Like this. You flip your hair. Pretty much I'm gonna show you guys how I get this hair. I'm only going to show you like half of my hair, and then the other half I'm gonna do it off camera. Pretty much all you're going to need is obviously your hair, a little clippy like this. I only used one, you could use more than one, and a hair tie, and obviously your straightener. I don't remember the last time I showed you guys how I curl my hair, but I will have that video for you guys up here if you guys want to check it out. I'm pretty sure it was when I first started making videos, which was probably like in 2012. So this face back then did not look like this, makeup wise, because my face is still the same. So if you guys want to learn how I got this hair, just keep on watching. The first thing like I do is take off my messy ass bun, and I already preheated my straightener, and I'm gonna be using the skinny straightener. I don't know how big this is, but the small ones, because it's easier like that to curl my hair, especially since I have like really thin hair and I already have it straight from like earlier in the day. So it's been a while since I've shown you guys how I straighten my, since I curled my hair. I don't remember when was the last time. This is how long my hair is. Like almost up to my hips. Like you can't even see it still. So it's like almost up to my hips. Like that. Curling it. I already have the middle part. So first things first, let's see, tie this side up so it won't get on the way. And I don't know about you guys, but normally when I split my hair like this in half, I normally have more hair on my left side than on my right side. And I don't know why, but for some reason that's how it is. That's how my hair is. So now I'm just going to section it up like so. And you're going to be grabbing this much hair. Like that much. And you're just going to split it like this. It's like a little pigtail. El poquito. Like so. So you're going to be doing that to all of it. so far. They look more like waves than like curls. And my style of hair, some others like it'll look more like curls. But this is how it looks more on my.
We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
So here's the wavy side of my hair. Here's the straight side. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much how I get my wavy hair. And yeah, I am a little rusty on it because it's been a while since I've done my hair like this. Like a while. Like, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys have any other video requests, hair wise, makeup, or any videos, pretty much, just let me know. I do want to do the boyfriend slash fiance tag soon, so if you guys have any additional questions, just leave them down below for that video and I'll highly appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.